Short answer: yes. You still need SEO, but it is no longer the whole job. And here is the uncomfortable part. You can rank #1 on Google and never once be named by ChatGPT. Ranking and being recommended are now two separate outcomes, and most brands are resourcing only one of them. SEO and GEO are not rivals. They are two different jobs that happen to share some of the same plumbing. Let me show you where they overlap, where they split, and how to spend your effort. Start with what each one is actually for. SEO, search engine optimization, gets your page to rank in a list of links when someone searches. The win condition is a position. You are result number 3, someone clicks, they land on your site. GEO, generative engine optimization, gets your brand named and recommended inside an AI's answer when someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity what to buy. The win condition there is not a click. It is being said. Here is why you cannot just drop one for the other. A growing share of buying journeys now run through an assistant. No list of links, just an answer with a few brand names. If you are not in that answer, the shopper never knows you exist, no matter how well you rank. That is the case for GEO. But plenty of people still search the old way. AI answers still pull heavily from pages that rank well, and your highest intent traffic, the person who already knows your name and is ready to buy, still arrives through search. That is the case for keeping SEO. So, they are different jobs. But, and this is the useful part, they are not separate piles of work. They share a foundation. Both reward the same core hygiene. A site that loads, that crawlers can reach, with clear page structure and genuinely useful content. Do that badly and you lose at both. So, the foundation is one investment, not two. Where they split is what you optimize on top of that foundation. And this is where that #1 ranking trap comes from. SEO leans on signals like backlinks, keyword targeting, and technical ranking factors, work designed to climb a list. A lot of it is competitive positioning, being a bit better than the page above you. GEO leans on something different, clarity and corroboration. Can a model read your key facts in plain visible text, not buried in code or an image? Are those facts complete and consistent enough that the model can describe you confidently? And does the rest of the web agree with what you say about yourself? GEO is not about beating the page above you. It is about being clear and trustworthy enough that an AI will stake its answer on naming you. That is how a page can rank #1, win the click, and still get skipped by every assistant. The facts that matter live in a spec table the model did not read. Or, nothing on the site cleanly answers the question the way it was asked. Winning one outcome does not hand you the other. So, how should you actually spend your effort? 3 steps. 1. Protect the shared foundation. That pays off everywhere. 2. Keep doing SEO for the journeys that still run through search, especially your high-intent, brand-aware traffic. 3. Add GEO as a distinct work stream, because nothing in your SEO checklist guarantees you get named in an AI answer. That distinct work stream is what Geoffy is. It engineers your product pages so AI can read and repeat them, then tracks whether the fixes actually land you in the answers. Here is the way to hold it in your head. SEO gets you found by people who are searching. GEO gets you said by machines that are answering. One wins clicks, the other wins the answer itself. And from here on, you need both jobs on the payroll. If that was useful, the next video tackles the question every brand asks once they start checking. Why does AI keep recommending my competitor instead of me? See you there.